We're gonna see how many honks we can get. Honk! 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 See our honk sign? Show them your honk sign. Honk!
Do you like our honk sign?
Do you like our honk sign?
Jelani? Hey! Honk!
Honk! Our voices are kind of cracking.
Yes.
We've been doing this for like an hour now. I don't know who Chelati is. Honk! Honk!
He's laughed. Like, do you like your sign? He's like kind of like laughed. He was like, wait, Jelani? He's like, hey. Oh my god, dude. Come on, cars. Come down.
Honk! 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 Honk!
Oh, they're student driver. They won't honk. But they're not pimp.
Because we totally are.
Yes, we are.
These people are slowing down. Honk! Honk! Woo! Honk! 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 Woo! Come on! Honk!
Please!
Honk! Honk! You're on a video! You're being mean! Honk! That was so fun!
That hurt my voice.
He was trying to beat us, but we totally won.
Totally! Oh my
We're
god.
gonna start our YouTube like channel.
I already. Oh, dude. Yes, this is gonna be.
We'll be like Fred.
Yes.
Only better.
No, like our.
Honk!
Honk, please.
Honk, please. Woo! What? No, just anything. Just a honk. Honk! Honk!
He already honked at us.
That's a girl.
She already honked at us.
That was a
For
girl.
all those people that look like guys and girls, I don't mean it offensively.
Honk! Honk! Come on! Woo!
My voice hurts. Ugh. It's totally going on our YouTube channel. What should we call it?
I don't know. What do you want to call it?
Then we can add icon stuff, Matt thing. Yeah.
Honk!
Honk. This should be I Nazareth.
Honk!
Honk.
We should call it.
I Nazareth.
No.
Nazareth.
Let's call it A&H Productions.
Honk.
Honk!
A&H.
A&H Productions. H&A. Ha Productions.
Ha Production. Oh yeah. I love it.
We're gonna start a YouTube channel called Ha Productions. It's gonna be amazing. Woo! Ha, come on!
I love your dog.
She's so cute. He's so cute.
My voice is hurting.
I'm gonna jump. I thought that girl that like rode past us that you thought was a guy said stop making people honk. Honk! 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 So loud you can't even hear him honk. Honk!
Honk.
Honk!
Honk.
Honk!
Honk.
Honk! Woo! I felt the camera vibrate.
What's that supposed to be?
Because we scream so loud. Honk!
Honk.
Honk!